Hey, y'all. Welcome to Eat and Travel with Toni. This is Toni. We're in Toni's kitchen. Welcome to the video. Today we're making caramel waffle cone cookies. Y'all heard it right, y'all. Caramel waffle cone cookies. So, of course, I hope you enjoy this video. But before we get started, of course, with everything in this mixing bowl, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos that upload from this point here on out. If you ain't seen those in the past, go check those out too. So like I said, this cookie, this inspiration came from, it was actually my birthday cookie, well, one of my birthday cookies. So like I said, I definitely want to share this with y'all. And like, cause I love waffle, y'all may not know me that well, but I love waffle cones, especially the waffle cones that got like dipped in chocolate with the sprinkles and all that, like the Heath toppings. I love waffle cones, y'all. So of course I had to make this cookie, like I said, to honor me for my birthday, so my 49th birthday. So like I said, I definitely hope y'all enjoy the video. Again, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And of course, feel free to share this video out to your page, to your family, friends, somebody that you know that likes to bake, because they want to make this cookie too. So with that, y'all, I'll let the music go on out, but I will put the description, not the description, but the actual ingredients in the description for y'all, so that y'all can, of course, like I said, make this cookie too. Or when you share it so that other folks can make this too. So like I said, I hope you enjoy. And I will put on the screen where I'm putting in different ingredients and stuff like that, so that you can kind of follow along. So with that, y'all, let's look at this video, y'all. Enjoy. Bye.